Los Angeles area man disguised himself as white guy to commit over 30 home burglaries, police say. And this got me thinking. I was like, Rakim, what's his name? This guy's Rakim Prowl. Prowl? For the burglar? Are we living in a simulation?
Oh,
Wow. Was arrested by Beverly Hills police officers after being linked to burglaries there. People don't use the mask enough. Like the realistic mask.
Yeah.
It's got to be the reason he got away with it 30 times. It's a totally different description. Look at, he's got like the skin tight mask going on. You know how they figured it out? They looked at surveillance tape and realized that the guy had his mouth open all the time.
What?
Because if you're in a mask like this, you can't breathe through the nose.
Oh.
And they're like, damn, maybe that's a mask. And then they discovered. It's all alleged at the moment. He used a lifelike mask to disguise himself as a white man while allegedly committing home burglaries in the Los Angeles area. Stole flat screen televisions. And the police noticed that during the burglaries, the mouth was always open and realized that it was a mask that was going on. He was arrested May 2nd during a traffic stop. And that's when they pieced the whole thing together here.
So what, they found mask in the car? Or he was already...
They must have.
Yeah.
I mean, they got photos of it. It looks like it's actually laid out on the hood of the car. The picture, now that you mentioned that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So you're like, hey, what's this mask about? And then they're like, hey, maybe it's that guy we've been looking for with the burglaries. But didn't you always think about this, like mask technology ever since Mission Impossible? When they're pulling off the mask and it's so perfect.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I guess if it's airbrushed and like fitted well, you can get away with it. I would assume.
You get the mask and then you get the mask on top of the mask, like the COVID mask.
Sure, yeah.
It's a double mask.
Yeah, he should have done that.
Yeah.
Because his mouth was always open, apparently.
So it's like a burglary etiquette. They're wearing a COVID mask as they break in.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Anyway, that's some pretty extreme measures right there, but it worked for a bit. But you see how that goes. It never doesn't work forever. You get caught eventually, and then probably not worth it for the flat screen in the end.